Hey guys, happy Pride Month and welcome back to my channel. Unless it's your first time here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a rainbow eyeshadow look in honor of Pride Month. I don't know if you guys can see my shirt, but this is equal because we're all equal. So let's get started. I have already done my eyebrows and I used the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown, and I used the Brow Wiz in dark brown also. And then I used the Fenty Beauty Concealer to outline my eyebrows on top in the shade 420. It's upside down. 420. And then I also used the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 5 for underneath. So now that we have done our brows, we're going to go ahead and move on to the eyeshadow. I'm sweating. It's hot up in here. Lord Jesus, help me. So we're going to go ahead and put on our base, and I'm going to be using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0, which is white. I have talked about this before in one of my other tutorials, but I didn't use it. So this is what I use when I want to do my more vibrant, more colorful, like pigmented eyeshadow looks. And this really brings out any color. So because I'm going to be using rainbow colors, this is really going to help it, and I'm really excited to show you guys how this works. So to put down my base, I'm going to be using a flat brush, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this on the back of my hand. So I'm just going to put like a tiny little drop. I start off with a little bit and then build it up, so I don't want to like use too much product. So we're going to go ahead and just put this all over our lid. And I'm going to do one eye at a time because I'm going to be doing one eye with red, orange, and yellow. And then this eye is going to be with green, blue, and purple. So now that we have our base done, we're going to go ahead and start putting on our eyeshadow. I'm going to start with this eye, and I'm going to do the red, orange, and yellow. We're going to use red first, and I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. This one has all types of bright colors. I'm sure everyone's seen this before, but for those who don't, this is what it looks like. It's very, very beautiful, and it has like every shade that you can think of. You can make so many different looks with this palette. It's really nice. It is one of my favorites from the Morphe line. So yeah, so I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna use the red as my crease color. So I'm gonna start by kind of patting this red onto my crease. We're gonna take a clean blending brush and we're gonna go ahead and buff this out on the top of the crease. So now that we put our red down, we're going to go ahead back in with our white base, and we're going to put this over the lid more. I'm going to go in and put this right on the lid to start, and then I'm going to kind of go above the lid, just a little bit into the crease, but not completely over the crease. So now we're going to go ahead, we're going to work from the in to the out because this is where I have more of my base. So I'm going to be putting yellow here, and then I'm going to be putting orange in the middle, and I'm going to blend it all together. I'm going to be using this orange here in the middle. we're gonna move on to this eye and do the purple, blue, and green. And we're gonna be using the same thing. We're gonna put down our base with the with the flat brush. For this eye, with my crease, I'm going to be doing purple. I'm going to be using this purple here. And then again, going back in with a clean blending brush and buffing it out. Take the purple out and put it in our corner here. We're gonna go back in with our white base again and do the same thing we did on this eye. And we're gonna go like slightly into the crease to create that base for the next colors. For the blue and green, I am going to be using this green and this blue. And I forgot to mention that when you do this, you want to do it with your eyes open, because then you can kind of see where it's actually gonna like be. So if I went like this and I put just here, because I think this is where it is, and then I close, it's not exactly where I want it to be. So with my eyes open, I can just place it and I can see exactly where it's gonna be with my eyes open, if that makes sense. So now that we have our base on, we're gonna go ahead and put the colors, and we're gonna put green first because that's gonna be in this corner here. In the middle, we're gonna put our blue. And we're gonna add a little bit of extra because you know I'm extra. Then I'm gonna put glitter, and I'm gonna put it like right where the crease meets the colors on the lid. And I'm gonna be using the NYX liquid crystal liner and crystal powder. I think that's how you say it. I can't really read it, but it looks like it says powder. Yeah, P-E-W-T-I. Interesting. We could have just said crystal powder instead of powder, but you know, I still bought it. So we're gonna go and put in our eyeliner. I'm just gonna put it across my lash line, and so I'm gonna be using the NYX matte liquid liner. Now that we put on our eyeliner, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my mascara. I have no idea what brand it is. Then I'm gonna be prepping my lashes, be putting them on. I'm gonna be using the lashes and the lash glue from Blink and Wink Minx. And this is the ones, they're called Baddie. And their lash glue, which is their waterproof lash glue. A little bit of a glitch with my recording, and it like stopped recording. I didn't realize it. So I already put on my foundation, concealer, one of my lashes, and my setting powder, and I use the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 420. I use the Huda Beauty powder in Cinnamon Bun. I use that Fenty Beauty concealer again, and I use the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 10 under my eyes. Oh, fuck me. Hopefully you guys heard that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on my other lash. Wow, do you guys see these lashes? Like, they are so pretty. I love these.
Few moments later.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is my Rainbow Pride makeup. I hope you guys like this little mini tutorial. My phone's been acting up, so this is all I can give y'all for this week. But next week I will be better. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like this video, give it a like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.